Good morning, y'all. I just want to share a quick story with you. It's Monday of my last official week as general manager at the wood shop, and it's real bittersweet. I'm looking forward already to Thursday afternoon so I can go home and kiss my babies and kiss my wife and move on to the next chapter. I'm also really hanging on to this chapter. I've got so much emotional investment and the investment of my blood, sweat, and tears literally into this business that I'm not. I told Harmony this past weekend, I'm not ready to walk away from this, but I need to, and it sucks. So it's real bittersweet, man. It's real bittersweet. And you know, the drive in this morning, I had all this going through my head, and I got to the shop and the guys needed something from the local hardware store. They needed a box of screws. So I said, I'll just run up there and grab a box of screws. And there's a guy there who's the very involved with the local fire department who works there, and he's a good dude, and we always get to talking. And he was telling me a story about the same story I'm about to share with y'all, about how they got called out to this trailer house fire, and it was an old man and his wife that lived in this trailer house, and the wife had Alzheimer's, and the old man would at times have to leave the house to do something, and they had put up, like a fence with some gates around the house so that she wouldn't wander off because she was prone to wandering. And well, all the neighbors had said, the fire company gets there, the first engine comes in, starts rolling out hose, and at the door, they busted the front door, and their ticker was reading 1,400 degrees at the front door. And all the neighbors had said that they'd seen his truck go out, but they hadn't seen her with him in the truck. And, it's bad news, man. They knew where the bedroom was, and they were trying to keep the flames away from the bedroom, but the house was almost fully engulfed, already reading 1,400 degrees. They're like, there's really nothing we can do other than surround it and keep it from spreading. So the grandson gets there, and he's just losing his mind, right? Rightfully so, losing his mind. And he's trying frantically to raise his grandpa on the phone. So for 45 minutes, he's calling his grandpa. Trying to tell him, hey, the house is on fire. Grandma's in the house. What are you doing? So finally, Grandpa answers the phone. The old man answers the phone. Boy, what the hell are you doing? I am on my anniversary date with your grandmother, and I don't care what the problem is, but all you damn kids have been trying to call me for 45 minutes, and I don't have much time with her left. And I would appreciate it if you would quit calling me and interrupting, because I'm trying to spend some time with your grandmother. I like that story. She was fine. She was with the old man. They were having dinner. And he said, the grandson said, Grandpa, your house is on fire. He says, I don't care, I'm trying to have dinner with your grandmother. And he hung up. I think that's beautiful. So I would just encourage you, if figuratively your house is on fire, try not to be distracted from the things that are actually important. I took a lot of comfort from that story, and that's why I wanted to share it with y'all. So, I'm not looking forward to this week. I am truthfully not looking forward to this week. But we're men, and men do the hard things. So, shalom.